Hey, WORKPRO sent me this 5-in-1 cordless stapler. I'm gonna check it out and give you my thoughts. Here's the box that it comes in. You got your stapler, here's your cord for charging, and this does come with some nails and some staples. All right, we're gonna load this thing up. Just pull back your loading slot here. You got these red tabs here. You gotta kind of line this up. So I got it lined up, and I'm gonna slide it, lock it in place. We're just gonna do some test staples on this piece of wood. Now what I like about this is there's a safety feature here. So if there's no pressure on the tip, this will not fire. So it's a nice little safety feature. So let's run a couple staples so I can show you. This fires pretty quick. Now you can see these didn't go in extremely far. If you need more penetration, you're gonna press down on the back and that put it in farther into the wood. The staple gun is pretty handy for, light to medium around the house projects. If you're in heavy duty construction, this probably isn't what you wanna use, but for like upholstery, light wood, just light to medium work around the house, I think this works pretty well. For testing, I'm just gonna line up this cardboard here, and I'm not gonna put any pressure on, we'll just kind of go light. And you can see that did not break through the cardboard there. Now I can go harder. Now you can see for this, I probably don't wanna do that because it will break through, but if you're, stapling wood or something more heavy duty, you're gonna wanna put some pressure on. Now we'll check out stapling some cloth to wood. Once again, I'm not gonna put a lot of pressure down. Just staples it right in. We'll try it a little harder on this part to see what it does. That did put it in more deep and more of a snug fit. So the pressure that you're gonna put down on this thing is gonna depend on what kind of project you're doing. All right, now we're gonna unload this thing. I'm gonna turn the power off. All right, so we're gonna put our nails in now. Turn your power on. I'm gonna go pretty light here. So this penetrates almost all the way through, but without any pressure. There is a little bit of a gap there. Now we'll put some more pressure down. That went right to the top of the wood. Now this does come with nails that are 9/16 inches long. It will fit up to 5/8 and go as low as 1/4 inch. Let's see how it does with low pressure. So you can see without much pressure, there's a little bit of a gap there. Now we'll go some higher pressure. Overall, I think this is a handy tool for light to medium projects around the house. I really like the safety feature. If you slip and hit the trigger without any pressure, it's not gonna randomly fire. I like the portability of this. I can charge it up and use it without a cord. That way I can go all around my house and work on my projects.